Alright, this is a demonstration of this dishwasher if you're really interested in buying it. So I can show you that it works, even though it does need a part. It does work properly, and I'm going to show you and demonstrate it right here in the garage. It's 2 drawers. It's hard to see. 2 drawers like that. Has movable silverware baskets in it. Multiple baskets. I have it powered on right now. Okay, it has another silverware basket down there. Has this all these choices here. And all the buttons work. Okay. Top one has it like that too, same thing. There's the model number if you want to look at it. This dishwasher was like $1,200 brand new. It is in the house I just rented, so I don't like it because I don't like the design of it, and it's going to cost, plumber's going to charge me a lot of money to fix the dishwasher. So if you can fix it, you're good with that stuff, you can buy it and you can fix it and have this kind of dishwasher if you like it. But here's where it's broken. There's a hose right here. The outlet hose has a crack. Would seem simple enough, but the outlet hose is a one piece. It goes into the unit. If you see that hose, it goes all the way there. So you have to replace the hose. You have to replace that part in the dishwasher. You have to buy one of these hoses. You have to special order it. And you have to find it. But if you wanted to put that connector up as close as this, you didn't have to go far. Or you could figure out how to seal the hose. I mean, you can use it like it is because it's fully operational. So I'm not going to go through all that trouble. Top and bottom both have that single piece unit going to that double unit there. So it already has a good condition inlet hose. All right, so I'm going to run it and show you that it works. Okay, because I have an outlet, I don't have an outlet drain without leaking all over my kitchen. I'm going to do it into this bucket, so I'm just going to make sure it has enough water to run. Like that. They run independently of each other, okay? So the dishwashers are independent. It's a normal wash. I can start that one up. Takes a second to start. We're waiting. It depends if I have enough water in there or not. Okay. So let's start it up. You can hear it running. I can feel the water coming out of the top of the machine here. So it's top one's running. Now the bottom one. You can start it right here. Okay, let's start it inside there. I did something to it. Let's see. Okay. Maybe I don't have enough water in there. You can fast forward through this video if it's getting boring, but I'm interested in this dishwasher. The bottom is running now. Now I'm going to cancel the top. Cancel the top. That should drain out. Okay, so now I'm going to cancel the top. Evacuate the water out. My desk is under my sink. Water is shooting out everywhere. So you can definitely see this just needs to be fixed. Pushing the water out like it should be. Bottom one is still running. The problem with the machine is you can't open it a bunch while it's running. If you open it while it's running, then the water will drip down off the roof that it's spraying. So you're not supposed to be opening it a lot, which I found out when I was testing. I opened it too much while it was running and some water dripped out of the back. But leaking water works fine. Okay, I'm going to evacuate the bottom one. It is running. Okay, cancel that. Water coming out of the bottom one. Alright, just see another dishwasher doesn't work properly. If you're interested in buying it and you can think you can get the part and fix it, it's a nice dishwasher. I'm asking $100 for it. And you see it works. You're gonna have to try to lowball me. Alright. Text me at this on the number in the description to text me if you're interested in coming and getting it. If I don't sell it, I'm throwing it in the garbage, so whatever. Alright, see you later.